Master of Puppets provides a unique opportunity to trade locked ICO tokens, making buying and selling Ethereum wallets secure. Wallets created in Master of Puppets are called puppets. They are Ethereum smart contracts that allow you to store tokens and make operations with the wallet. Only the owner of a puppet can operate it and make transactions. This ownership is tied to a regular Ethereum wallet and can be easily transferred to another Ethereum wallet, essentially transferring all the tokens and Ethereum stored on the Puppet wallet. To start using Master of Puppets, you need to log in on the site with your MetaMask app. This will provide security and transparency of all the transactions. After logging in, all the features become available. Let's create our first Puppet wallet. On the Create Wallet page, accept Terms of Service and click the Create button. The MetaMask pop-up will appear, prompting you to approve the transaction. You can optionally change gateway price here. Once you are ready, click on the Confirm button. After the transaction is confirmed, you can find your Puppet address on the History page. In my case, it's this. Now I own a Puppet wallet. I can receive any tokens on it and use it as my regular wallet. The killer feature here is an ability to sell your Puppet wallet to another person in a secure way, even if you have tokens locked on it. To sell your Puppet wallet, go to the Sell page and enter your Puppet address and put the price in the Price field. Then click the Put on Sale button to put your wallet in a sale mode. On this page you can also change the price and withdraw your wallet from sale anytime. To confirm that the Puppet is in a sale mode, go to the Info page and make sure that the status is for sale. When the Puppet is in a sale mode, all outgoing operations are locked. Tokens and Ethereum cannot be transferred from the wallet. This provides security and transparency for the buyer. To buy someone's Puppet, you need to go to the Buy page and enter the Puppet address and its price. If you send more Ethereum than the actual price is, the leftover will be added to the Puppet account you're purchasing. On the Info page, you can check the status of Puppet wallets, the price, the owner, and if the wallet is on sale. Let's head to Send Ethereum page. On this page, you can transfer Ethereum from your Puppet wallet. For instance, you can send Ethereum to an ICO address. Let's assume you already have some Ethereum on your Puppet balance. Enter the Puppet address you own, enter the Ethereum address you want to send it to, and how much you would like to send, and then click the Send button. On Send ERC20 tokens page, you can transfer ERC20 tokens from your Puppet wallet. Just enter your Puppet address, enter the recipient address, the token smart contract address, and how many tokens you would like to send, and then click the Send button. The History page shows all the operations you performed. Please use the Help section to get answers to the most common questions and learn how to use the app. You can check our source code here as well. This concludes the quick guide to using the Master of Puppets application. Thanks for watching.